Hi guys, good day. It's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class, it's all about Triangle Proportionality Theorem. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now, according to the theorem, if a line parallel to one side of a triangle intersects the other two sides, then it divides the sides proportionally. So let me explain this one. If I have given triangle ABC and we draw a line that is parallel to line segment AB, so once again, you can draw a line anywhere in this triangle class in which the line should be parallel to AB. So let's have this one. So we draw a line parallel to line segment AB. Now, according to the theorem, you can create proportions. The ratio of this side will be equal to the ratio of this side. So once again, let's label this line. This will be DE. So once again, class, this line intersects this line segment AC and line segment CB. So this line intersects this side. And then we can create proportion because this line is parallel to line segment AB. So once again, this side over this side, CD over DA, will be equal to CE over EB. So let's make a proportion. We can say that CD, line segment CD over line segment DA, is equal to line segment CE over line segment EB. So once again, class, this side, the ratio of this side will be equal to the ratio of this side. So that's according to the theorem, class. If you draw a line that is parallel to this line, then we can make proportions. The ratio of this side will be equal to the ratio of this side. So this line, once again, this line is parallel to line segment AB. So let's give an example, class, for you to understand this one. Once again, you can also make proportions CD, so you can make CD, line segment CD over the total over CA is equal to line segment CE over the total CB. So you can make many proportions as you can. So what is the thing that you do on the left side, you also do it on the right side. So you can make many proportions as you can, class. You can have AD over DC, then BE over AC. Alright, so let's give an example, class, for you to understand this one. What if this is 3? Okay, CD is 3 and DA is 9. And then CE is X. You're told to find X, and EB is 15. So how will you find X? So to find X, we can use this equation. CD over DA is equals to CE over AB. So let's have this one to find X. So that would be CD is 3. So 3 over DA is 9 is equal to CE is X over EB is 15. So to find X, just simply do cross multiplication. So cross multiply. So this will be 3 times 15 is equals to X times 9. So 3 times 15, that is 45, equals to X times 9, that is 9X. And to get the value of X, you divide both sides by 9. Cancel this out. 45 divided by 9, that is 5, is equals to X. That's it, class. Our X is equals to 5. Easy, right? So that's it for the triangle proportionality theorem. So let's give more examples, class, more complicated examples for you to really understand this one. Alright, let's try another example. Alright, so example number 1, you're told to find Y. So we have given triangle TEA. So TR is 18, RE is 24, AM is 30, ME is Y. So you're told to find Y. So once again, this is the ratio of this side, TR over RE. So we can make TR, so line segment TR over RE. Line segment RE is equal to line segment AM over line segment ME. Alright, so that's the thing there, class. Just make proportions. So this will be TR is 18 over RE. So this is E. RE is 24, so 18 over 24 is equals to AM is 30, then ME is Y. So you're told to find Y. So once again, class, before doing the cross multiplication, especially if you have large numbers with regards to the fraction, you always check, class, if you can reduce. Imagine, class, you multiply 24 and 30. These are large numbers. So before doing the cross multiplication, you always check the fraction, this 18 and 24, if you can reduce before doing the cross multiplication. So let's have two solutions, class, for you to really compare. Okay, which is better, class? So if you multiply this one directly, let's do that. So 18 times Y and then 24 times 30. So this will be 18 times y is equal to 30 times 24. Imagine, class, these are large numbers, so this will be more complicated, class. So 18 times y, that would be 18y, is equals to 30 times 24. So 24 times 30. So 0, 0, 3 times 4, that is 12. Carry 1, 3 times 2, that is 6 plus 1 is 7. So 720. So this is 720. Then divide by 18, divide by 18. So 720 divided by 18, that is 40. So our y is 40. But once again, class, it is complicated because these are large numbers. Now the other solution, class, that's why you always check the fraction if you can reduce before doing the cross multiplication. Now for 18 and 24, we can reduce this one by what number, class? You find the GCF, the greatest common factor. That's correct. We can reduce this one by 6, right? We can divide 18 by 6 and 24 by 6, right? So 18 divided by 6, that is 3. 24 divided by 6, that is 4. So instead of 18 over 24, it will be 3 over 4. So you find the greatest common factor equals 30 over y. So once again, reduce the fraction before doing the cross multiplication. So let's cross multiply. So this will be 3 times y. Let's check, class, if we will have the same answer. So 3 times y, that is 3y, is equals to 4 times 30, that is 120. And to get the value of y, you divide both sides by 3. So divide by 3, cancel this out. And your y is equals to 40. So you will have the same answer, class, but it is easier than the other one. So our y is equals to 40. So this is 40. Alright, so that's it for number 1. Let's try another example, number 2. We will have 4 examples, class, for you to really understand triangle proportionality theorem. Alright, let's try another example, number 2. Alright, for number 2, this is quite complicated. So, we are told to find r and s. We have given this total side, that is 15, and this one is 20. So, it's quite complicated, class. We don't have the value of r and s. So in this one, can we find this value, class? What would be this value? If this is 15 and this is 6, the total is 15. So just simply subtract 15 minus 6. This will be 9, right? Because 9 plus 6, that is 15. So therefore, this is 9. So once again, class, I get 9 because 15 minus 6, that is 9. The total of this side, that is 15. So 6 plus 9, that is 15. So to find r, we can use this one. The ratio of this side over the total is equal to the ratio of r over the total. Okay, so or you can have the total over r is equal to the total of this right side over 9. So let's have that one. So the total, that is 20. So 20 over this r is equal to the total. So what you do on the left side, you also do that on the right side. Okay, to make the equation balanced. You do it 20, the total over r, then that would be 15 over 9. So 20 over r, that is the total on the right side, then over 9. Alright, so check. Once again, you always check if you can reduce the fraction before finding r. Can we reduce 15 and 9? Yep, we can divide this one by what number, class? That's correct, by 3. Divide by 3. So this will be 20 over r is equals to 15 divided by 3, that is 5. 9 divided by 3, that is 3. And then we cross multiply. So cross multiply. So this will be 20 times 3 is equals to 5 times r. So 20 times 3, that is 60, equals 5 times r, that is 5r. And to get the value of r, you divide both sides by 5. Divide by 5, divide by 5. So therefore, our r is equals to, what is, class? 60 divided by 5. So let's divide that. 60 divided by 5, 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. Bring down 0. 10 divided by 5, that is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So 12. So this will be 12 is equals to r. That's it, class. Therefore, our r is equals to 12. So this one right here, our r is equals to 12. So this is 12. Now, can we find s? Yep, we can find s. The ratio of this side over this side, then 6 over 9. So let's find s. This will be s over r. So s over r is equals to 6 over 9. 6 over 9. So this will be S, copy S, then our R is 12. So 12 is equal to 6 over 9. So check class, can we reduce 6 and 9? Yep, we can reduce 6 and 9 by what number class? That's correct, by 3. So divide by 3. So this will be S. Okay, I don't have enough space. Let me just erase this one class. Our R is 12. So this will be S over 12 is equals to 6 divided by 3, that is 2. 9 divided by 3, that is 3. Once again, you always reduce. But if it's hard for you to reduce that one, you can do cross multiplication. But once again, class, it will be complicated because you have large fractions. So simply reduce. You will have the same answer, class. For me, it's better to reduce, class. So this will be S times 3 is equals to 2 times 12. So S times 3, that is 3S, equals 2 times 12, that is 24. And to get the value of S, you divide both sides by 3. So S is equals to 24 divided by 3, that is 8. Alright, so therefore, S is 8. So this is 8. That's it, class. All set for number 2. Our S is equals to 8, and our R is equals to 12. Alright, let's have another example, class. More complicated examples for number 3 and 4. Let's try that, number 3 and 4. Alright. Alright, so number 3 example. So we have given 12, and this is 9. Then this side is 3. This one is S, R, and 8. So we're told to find S and R. So to find S, we can have this ratio over this side, then 9 over 3. Since we have given 9 and 3 and the total is 12, so we can find S, ratio of this side 12 over S, then 9 over 3. Let's find that. So this will be 12 over S is equal to 9 over 3. So once again, you can just simply cross multiply, or you can reduce this one. Can we reduce this one? Yep, we can reduce this one by 3, right? So it's better for me to reduce. Divide by 3. So this will be 12 over S is equals to 9 divided by 3, that is 3. 3 divided by 3, that is 1. And then we can cross multiply, class. Simply cross multiply. So this will be 12 times 1 is equals to 3 times S. So 12 times 1, that is 12, is equals to 3 times S, that is 3S. And then to get the value of S, you divide both sides by 3. Cancel this out. 12 divided by 3, that is 4, is equals to S. So once again, class, our value for S, that is 4. So this is 4. Therefore, this is 4. Now, in this scenario, class, you can just also do cross multiplication directly because 9 and 3, these are just small numbers. So if you cross multiply, let's check if we have the same answer. 12 times 3. So let's cross multiply this one. Let's check if we have the same answer. 12 times 3, that is 36, is equals to 9 times S, that is 9S. Divide by 9 to cancel this out. 36 divided by 9, that is 4, then S. So you can just simply cross multiply because these are just small numbers, 9 and 3. But for me, class, it's better to reduce. So we have 3 over 1. You will have the same answer. So therefore, this S is equals to 4. Now, check this one out, class. How will you find R? So to find R, you will need to get the ratio of the small triangle and the big triangle. So let me just draw this one, class, for you to understand this one. So our S is 4. So to get the value of R, we can make the ratio of the small triangle and the big triangle. So let me just draw the triangle. So the small triangle, and this will be 9. This is 12. This is R, right? And the larger triangle, so this will be the total, class. 12 plus S, this is the larger triangle. So 12 plus S, 12 plus 4, this will be 16. Then this one, 9 plus 3, that is 12. Then this is 8, right? Have you noticed, class, the difference for the small triangle? So 12, 9, then R. For the big triangle, 12 plus 4, that is 16. 9 plus 3, that is 12. Then 8. So to get R, class, you can have this ratio. Okay, this side over this side. Then R over 8. So you can have that one. To find the value of R, you can have this one, class. 12 over R, then 16 over 8. So it's up to you, which do you prefer. So let's have the two solutions, class. Let's check if we have the same answer. So let's have 9 over R, then 12 over 8 to find the value of R. So you can have 9 over 12, or you can have 9 over R, then 12 over 8. Let's have that. 9 over R, is equals to 12 over 8. So just simply cross multiply, or we can reduce. Can we reduce 12 and 8? Yep, we can reduce this one by 4. Divide by 4. So this is 9 over r is equals to 12 divided by 4, that is 3. 8 divided by 4, that is 2. Then cross multiply. Alright, let's cross multiply. 9 times 2. So 9 times 2 equals 3 times r. So 9 times 2, that is 18, is equals to 3 times r, that is 3r. So to get the value of r, you divide both sides by 3. Cancel this out. 18 divided by 3, that is 6, is equals to r. Alright, therefore, our r class is equals to 6. Very easy, right? For r. Now, once again, you can have the solution the other way. You can have 12. Okay, you can have 12 over r, then 16 over 8. Let's check, class, if we will have the same answer. Okay, let's check that one. So it depends on you, class, which do you prefer. You can have this one, this two sides, then this two sides, or this one, 12 over r, then 16 over 8. It's up to you, class, which do you prefer. So let's check if we have the same answer, 12 over r, then 16 over 8. So 12 over r, 16 over 8. So can we reduce 16 and 8? Yep. We can reduce this one by 8, right? The GCF, the greatest common factor, that is 8. So 12 over r is equals to 16 divided by 8, that is 2. 8 divided by 8, that is 1. Then cross multiply. Alright, let's cross multiply. Let's multiply directly, class. 12 times 1, that is 12. Then it's equal to 2 times r, that is 2r. Then to get the value of r, you divide both sides by 2. Cancel this out. 12 divided by 2, that is 6, is equals to r. Same answer, class. So once again, it depends on you, class, which do you prefer. You can have these two ratios, this side and this side, then this side over this side, or you can have this 9 over r, then 12 over 8. Alright, so it depends on you, class, which do you prefer, as long as you include 8, because the corresponding side of r, that is 8. Alright, let's try number 4. So number 4, last example, class. So I hope you understand this one, class, the Triangle Proportionality Theorem. Alright, number 4. So we're looking for y and for r. So to find y, the ratio of this side over this side, then 6 over 12. So this is y over 11 equals 6 over 12. So y over 11 equals, can we reduce 6 and 12? Yup. We can divide this one by 6. So once again, if you're confused in reducing the fraction, go ahead, class. You can just simply cross multiply, but once again, it will take time, class, because these are large numbers. So divide by 6, this will be 1 over 2. 6 divided by 6, that is 1. 12 divided by 6, that is 2. And then cross multiply. So 2 times y, that is 2y. Then 11 times 1, that is 11. So to get the value of y, you divide both sides by 2. Cancel this out. And our y is equals to 11 over 2. Or we can have this answer, class. 11 divided by 2, that is 5.5. So either of these two, class, it depends on you which do you prefer. You can have 11 over 2 or 5.5. So that's the same answer, class. So our y is equals to 11 over 2, or if the teacher will ask for the decimal, this will be equal to 5.5. So y is equals to 5.5 or 11 over 2. But for me, class, if I will be your teacher, it's okay, class, to have fractions. 11 over 2 is accepted. Alright, so let's find r. So to find r, once again, let's draw the two triangles. So let's draw the two triangles for you to compare. So we have the small triangle and the big triangle. So this will be the small triangle, that is y. This is 6 and this is 8, right? For the big triangle, that would be y plus 11. So our y is 5.5 plus 11. This will be 16.5. So this side, class, the total, the larger triangle. And this side, 6 plus 12, this will be 18. And this will be r. So we're told to find r. Now to find this one, class, to solve for r, we will just be using this side over this side. Then this side over this side, right? Because this side is a decimal, it will be complicated, class, if you're dealing with decimal. So once again, this y right here is 5.5. So imagine, class, if you use this side over this side, then this side over this side, it will be complicated, class, because this is decimal. So we will be using 6 over 8, then 18 over r. So this will be 6 over 8 is equal to 18 over r. Alright, so can we reduce 6 over 8? Yep, we can reduce this 1 by 2. So 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So once again, class, 6 over 8, we can reduce that 1 by 2. Always reduce, class, before doing the cross multiplication, because imagine you are multiplying 8 and 18. And these are large numbers. So equal to, so once again, we reduce this one. This will be 3/4. Then copy 18 over r. Then cross multiply, class. Alright, so this will be 3 times r, then is equals to 18 times 4. So 3 times r, that is 3r. 18 times 4, I think that's 72. Let me check this. 18 times 4. 4 times 8 is 32. 2, carry 3. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. 72. And then to get the value of r, you divide both sides by 3. Cancel this out. 72 divided by 3. Let me divide that. 7 divided by 3, that is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down 2. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract 0. 24. So our r is equals to 72 divided by 3. That is 24. That's it, class. All set for number 4. So I hope you learned something new today. Once again, class, if you learned something new today and you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students, especially to those students who are really struggling, class, in solving math problems. Once again, class, this is Teacher MJ. You have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.